People are still telling me, yo, I'm now really, I thought I was done with this. Okay, so there are people that had shops before Somalis came, before Ethiopians came. People that had shops, right? Black communities, colored communities, people had shops. So, to this day, we still call those people, even the Somalians, we call them Bai. Because that is what, there's a lot of the Indians that own shops here, and we call them Bai. Bai means brother, actually. So, people did have shops, yes, before Somalians. But those Somalians now, they opened shops, but they also bought those people's shops over. Those people got money for the shops. They got money for the shops. They would rather than take the money and then get a monthly rental for the shops. That would be easier for them. Because people that had shops, they couldn't manage anymore. Their children are working. Their children can't help in the shop anymore. They had to run the shops by themselves. They sold the shops for a lot of money. And the Somalians bought the shops. So it's not like they came to steal the business. Why are there still colored-owned businesses that's running tuck shops and spaza shops? Why? There's a Buddha in our area. He's been running for all these years. You can get anything there by him. He's been running, and so many spaza shops open up around him. Somalians open up, the Ethiopians open up shops. He's still running. He's still running very strong. So that argument of they came here and they just made business bad for everybody. If you had to work with him, it would have been better. So, there's a lot of people that prefer, I will never open a shop. That's crazy. There's no holiday. You can't take a weekend off. They come knock at your door 10 o'clock the night for a cigarette. You can't take a holiday. Nobody wants to run a shop. It's too much work. These people were doing that. They were doing their calculations. They were going to the market early morning. They close late at night. We people, we can't do that. Come December, then you see what happens to the shops. Those spaza shops were open on Christmas Day, on New Year's Day, on Labarang. They didn't celebrate any of those. They were open to serve the people in the communities. We are going to close shops. There's one guy I know. He opened up a shop. It's not a spaza shop. Anyway, he opened up a type of a service shop. And then, not long, he was very desperate for clients. And when he got clients, not long after that, we just heard this guy is closed. So now, where is he? Now he closed for the week. Why? He went on a holiday. A service shop. This is our people, man. These people were really good. They were really good. We were so Jesus. Anyway, I'll never open up a shop. If you want to open up a shop, then open up a shop.